Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to do these cute unicorn stamping nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And this is the color palette I'm working with. I really wanted to use the dot glitter, which is Light Elegance's My Little Unicorn. And so I kind of pulled together a color palette that matched with the dot glitter. So we're going to start off with Light Elegance's Sassy Squatch, which is from last year's summer collection. It's a bright metallic pink shade. And I'm going to do a coat of this on my middle finger. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Soft Serve, one of my all-time favorite purples from Light Elegance, although I'm sure I say that about most purples from Light Elegance. But it's a nice, soft lilac color. I'm going to do this on my ring finger as well as my pointer finger. Next, I'm going to go in with You Grow Girl from their latest spring collection. It's a soft, pearly blue shade. It is kind of on the transparent side, but it is super shimmery. So I'm going to put this on my pinky and my thumb. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now going in with Light Elegance's My Little Unicorn. This is that dot glitter that I used to inspire the whole nail design. Has a lot of pinks in it as well as some blues and purples. So I'm going to use this on my pointer finger and I'm going to create a glitter fade from the cuticle going down. So now I'm going to go in with some stamping. I'll be using Sally Hansen's Blue Away as well as Razzle, Dazzle Rose for stamping polish. And this is the plate I'll be using, is the Bundle Monster XL2114. It is a whole unicorn themed plate. And I'm going to use this scattered image of different unicorns and as well as the big head of the unicorn. So I did remove the tacky layer before I went in with the stamping, but using Blue Away, I placed the scattered unicorn image on my middle finger. And you can see my nails are too long for these images, but usually with these scattered images, because it is scattered, you can go in and stamp it a second time and it looks like the image has continued on. And now on my ring finger, I'm going to use that Razzle Dazzle Rose shade. I'm going to stamp this big unicorn image. And again, this image is smaller than my nails, so I'm just going to kind of center the unicorn where I want it on the nail. And now that I have the stamping on there, I go ahead and use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone to take off the extra polish that is around my cuticle. And I just wanted to add a little bit of accents on the unicorn nail and kind of color it in a little bit. So I'm going to use Sally Hansen's Canary, which is this pale yellow shade, and I'm going to use it to fill in the horn of the unicorn. And now going back in with that Blue Away shade, I just fill in a few strands of the unicorn's hair, just to add some accents. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how the unicorn nails came out. I think they are super cute, very bright and playful. Definitely they look like unicorn nails. And on my other hand, I did the same design. I just changed up which nail I put them on. I feel like these colors go really well together, and just as a whole, the design really flows together. But personally, these are not my type of nails. I think they're really cute and they create a cute design, but I personally didn't want to go around with unicorn nails on. So I actually almost immediately, or I think the next day, I took them off and I just did a different color. I like the design, but it's just one of those things where it's not my thing to wear. It would look cute on someone else if someone else liked unicorns and wanted to rock these shades. It's just not my cup of tea. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below what you thought of these unicorn nails. Would you wear them? Would you not wear them? Are they still cute? But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!